And guys, look at my coins and diamonds. This hack working perfectly. Hello there people and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I got unlimited coins and diamonds for DLS 25 absolutely free, safe and online, guys, without downloading any mod or anything major, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called AppLoop and type in search DLS 25 and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and I will have to enter our user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here or let me just show you. So open the game, click on settings, click on advanced, click on system info, then copy info. Okay, let's get back to the R tool, then paste it just like that. Press continue, guys, and let's see. As you can see, it found and our user ID successfully connected. The next step is select our coins and diamonds amount. So I will go with the maximum, guys. So let me click continue and let's see the next step. So if you want to follow the latest tutorial for DLS 25, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with the new tutorials. So guys, let's go to the next step. Okay, AP connected. Just scroll down and click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect, guys. And now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start the loading from the official publisher where the app are downloaded. Complete the task below. Each task will have a description of what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and I will download TikTok and complete the task. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text, guys. I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened, so let's wait together and let's see. Nice, guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the code check. Coins and diamonds are on the way, guys. I'm so excited to test this, so let me open the game. Let's see, does it actually work? So let's see, guys. And guys, look at my coins and diamonds. This hack working perfectly. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.